Hello, just doing a follow-up on how the watch list turned out. So what I try to get across to people that are new to this type of trading is when you're new to using a trading process like this, it can be very sort of hard to get used to it, and just showing the idea of what. So first of all, you've got to get used to the idea that you're not putting everything on your watch list because you intend to trade it. You're putting stuff on your watch list because you just want to see how it turns out in some cases. So just because you got a lot of things on your watch list doesn't mean you're going to be trading them all. But so once the market opens and you see how things are starting to progress, then you can start getting rid of some of the pairs off your watch list, so you got less to look at. But so in this case, like I had Aus dollar CAD that was on, this is where it opened on Monday, so I'd been trading this last week. I close all my positions by Friday, by the close on Friday. I don't hold any Forex trades over the weekend as a standard rule. That's a very strict rule that I don't carry trades over the weekend. And so when you come back on Monday, you don't just jump back into this trade again because you had it on. You did well with it last week. Doesn't mean you're going to get straight back into it again. So you can just watch it here a bit and see. Now this just went on for quite a few candles here. It just consolidated a bit there. So I'm keeping this on my watch list here until I can get. These are intraday trades only. So then you just look at for a point of entry on it, but you know that it's in play, so you know you can take an entry on the intraday template. So that's one example of this is Aus dollar Swiss, another example. So that was Monday there, about there. So the same thing happened again. Bit of a consolidation here, and then it's 4 hours still crossed up, so you can just take the intraday as it presents here by looking at the short-term template for confirmation as well. So that was Aus dollar Swiss, and this one went well, Euro Aus dollar. That was Monday here, so same thing again, had a bit of consolidation. You often see that on Monday you'll have a bit of a consolidation, then you'll get the follow through which you're looking for. But had a good nice roll over top on the daily here, so it's well worth. This was a high priority, this one. You just take you might not get any trades on the Monday. You might follow these through. This carried over till Tuesday, this one, and now it's Wednesday morning now. So this is still so this was a good example of how you follow it through from one day to the next. So I'll do my priority watch list in the morning, which is for me in the morning is just after the US market closes. I'll do my watch list, my Forex priority watch list after the US market closes, and then I'll do it again in late afternoon. For me is when Europe opens, so that'll be when I'll do my, just before Europe opens, I'll just do another priority watch list then at that time, and then before the stock market opens in the US, I'll do my watch list for the US market. So just not necessarily because I'm going to trade everything on my watch list. A lot of times I just want to see what something does, so I want to put it on my priority watch because it's just to see what the outcome of it is. So this is another one, Euro NZ. This is the same consolidation. Then you got the breakdown continuation. So it's nice to see consolidation. It was just in a retracement. It's ranging here because it's above the it's below the trend, but it's above the Keynesians, and so that's ranging. Right, so as it was here, as it was back here, and then it broke out again. So this is the reason why I trade these on the intraday template only, because you want to have more control over it. So this one was NZ CAD. This one was 27 Monday. So there, this was, I was trading this last week. And then come Monday, it's consolidated a bit, and then you got the entry. You got the entry here on the intraday template. So these are all pretty similar. So and US dollar Swiss. So this one was a reversal. So the US dollar ended up rallying a bit on Monday. So I had this undecided. This was a sell-off. Is quite sold off here on the weekly, but you can see it had a target up to the daily Keynesian here, but so it might put in quite a reversal here. I didn't get this candle here, but I let it consolidate a bit, and then it went on to rally again. So I entered around here somewhere. I was busy as well on Monday, so I didn't get much chance to. I had cryptos and other trades going on Monday, so there's heaps of good moves on cryptos. So I don't get married to one different asset class. I trade whatever I'm likely to make the easiest money on, whether it's be stocks or cryptos or commodities or Forex. I don't have any particular preference. I'm looking for the easiest money for my time. So Euro pound still hasn't. It's on my priority watch because the MACD. So I just got an alert set here now. So I'll just try and get this on the. I'll just be watching this, still working through this on. So the daily MACD hasn't crossed down yet, so it could consolidate here for a bit more. So you've got to be patient. And as I've said previously in other videos, you can switch to the normal candles to see what these Heikinashi like that. These are all inside candles here, so the consolidation and possible top reversal, but it doesn't hurt to look at the normal candles as well, see what they look like too. And pound US, this is because the US dollar rallied, so sometimes you don't always get, you'll get what you think's going to be good when you're looking at it. On the Monday it pulled back, and then it just held this consolidation here. So a lot of the times you won't get. A lot of the times you'll have something on your watch list and it just won't come through. That doesn't matter. That's just the way it goes. So this might come up on my priority watch list again later in the week. You don't know at this stage, but it's very oversold on the daily. So when I do my next priority watch list, it might go back on again. So out of those, I think I had about 17. I had about 17 charts on my charts of interest on the weekend that I made. That video I made about 17 charts or something, and I only ended up trading about 6 of those pairs. So that's just the way it goes, and you just go on. Like, the point of it is to try and get. You want to get the best moves you can. And not muck around with stuff that's you can spend a lot of time looking at pairs that aren't going anywhere. I know a lot of people do because they just get to trading a particular one like Euro US or something that's not going anywhere, and you miss out on a lot of good pairs that are moving. So I try to get through to people. You've got to do your preparation. That's why you're not getting good results with your trading, because you're too lazy to do the preparation work. You think, if I ask 10 people, if I said, what do you think trading? What do you think I do when I'm trading? They'd say, and I ask people all the time, and they say to me invariably, they say, "Oh, I think you sit down at the computer and you just try and guess which way something's going." And this is what people think trading's like, but it takes a long time to actually work out that that's not what trading's like. And there's a lot more to it, a lot more to trading than that. And when people do a trading course, they sort of realise that trading's not sort of not just a matter of just guessing. It's very involved, and they sort of do their course, a $2,500 course, and then sort of get a bit lost with it after that because they don't know what to do with it after it wasn't what they thought or whatever. So anyway, just a quick one to show you how this turned out. So it's not all glitz and glamour like you think it's going to be, and that's the main thing I try to get across to people. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.